Over 100,000 people remain under evacuation notices as severe flooding continues to wreak havoc across western Washington state. Over a foot of rain has fallen this week across the Seattle-Tacoma area, leaving entire homes and communities underwater. President Trump signed an emergency declaration for the region today. National Guard and Coast Guard members have been performing dozens of rescues for stranded people. One woman shared the moment of terror when her car ended up trapped in floodwaters with her and her family.
I panicked and I couldn't get my windows down because the car was off, and so I opened the door and water was already coming in, but it just flooded in like up to our chests.
Meteorologists say the main deluge of rain has passed, but a flooding and landslide threat still remains. Authorities in the area have reported 0 deaths to this point.